Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make ninjin no umami salad. It's very simple carrot salad. Easy to make, but full of umami. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this ninjin no umami salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 carrots, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1½ tablespoon of Ponzu sauce, and 2 packs of Katsuobushi fish flakes. Let's slice carrot into very thin, like needle thin strips. You can of course use knife, but mandolin is much faster and easier. Just in case if you want to use knife, make very thin slices. Line them. And slice. Once it's all sliced, ponzu sauce, mayonnaise, and Katsuobushi fish flakes. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Super easy. Please adjust the saltiness with some salt if you need. Let's serve in the bowl. And ninjin no umami salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so refreshing. Katsuobushi fish flakes are umami booster and it makes the dish super flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Ninjin no umami salad is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. How about gyudon here, which will also cover the main, and kabocha miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.